Hello everyone, Carl here from Competition Auto. Today is for you Fox body guys. We have a Fox body here, and this is our new project, at least for the next couple of days. And this is what we're going to be doing to it. We're going to be installing the Holley Terminator on it. So this is everything you need to put a Holley Terminator on a Fox body. Holley originally came out with this kit for the Fox body. It was a big hit. They did discontinue the kit. So Competition Auto decided, let's put this kit back together for all you guys with the Fox bodies. So rather than open all these up, let's go over here and I'll show you exactly what's in all these boxes. I'll lay it out right here. Alright, so this is going to be your main engine harness. Of course, we're going to need the main power harness for the computer. This is your TFI harness that's going to connect to your main harness and will connect to your TFI stock distributor if you're still running a stock distributor. This is just a connector for your inputs and outputs for you guys wanting to run nitrous or maybe a boost controller. Harness is here and ready. Of course, your new fuel injector harness. Your new wideband O2 sensor with the adapter, and of course a manifold air temp sensor, a coolant temp sensor. And here's one of the cool features. This is the bracket that goes underneath the passenger seat that's going to hold the computer. So of course, here's the computer, Terminator X, and it also comes with the small handheld. You can upgrade these, go larger if you would like. So what's really cool about these features is the Fox bodies are starting to get a little bit of age on them. If you pop the hood on most Fox bodies, the wire harnesses are now falling apart. So you will have all new harness underneath the hood. You do not use any of the existing harnesses. We also have all the instructions made for this thing. So step-by-step instructions all the way down to mounting the bracket underneath the seat. And of course, instructions for the Terminator computer itself. So, Angela, if you can come sweep this. This is everything that comes in the kit. And we went ahead and put this on our website as well. So if you can see right here, if you go to parts, Holley EFI, click on it, you're going to come to this page, and the first one is actually the Fox body one. And here's the description, everything about it. So for everyone that's interested in this kit, please go to our website and check it out. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.